Dear Universe, I always wonder what the letter senders or the gifter feel when they send love letters and gifts to their loved ones. I had never been in love. Not until when I committed to attend a mass in cathedral. Ang hirap talaga ipagtanggol ni Universe minsan, no? We didn't know if the right person is just behind us. If may bagay-bagay bang nagkoconnect sa inyong dalawa in order to meet. Pero hindi nyo alam yun eh. Oo nga naman, ano nga ba dapat ng pagmamahal? Dapat bang masaktan ka muna bago ito matawag na pagmamahal? Or you need to sacrifice yourself in order to prove yourself to one person? Minsan, napapaisip na rin ako na ang hirap talaga i-define ng pagmamahal, no? May iba't ibang lengguwahe, iba't ibang perspective, at iba't ibang pakiramdam. May physical touch, words of affirmation, gift giving, act of service, and quality time. Maraming pananaw at pakiramdam. Kaya, ang daming nagsasabi na masarap ang pagmamahal. It gives comfort, easiness, and joy in your life. Ipaparamdam sa'yo nito na karapat-dapat ka, na nakaibig-ibig ka, at katanggap-tanggap ka. Pero, madalas kahit ayan na ang napakaramdam, may panaalinlangan pa rin. Kaya, ang universe talaga ang hirap ipagtanggol, no?